Lights, camera, action.
Mom, can you pause this in me for a second?
Okay, yeah. Welcome back. What are we making today, Lamb?
I forget.
That's okay. We are making a Cobb salad bowl. Now, this has a long and historied history, which is, of course, that back in Hollywood, Robert Cobb of the Brown Derby restaurant came home one night, or maybe just didn't come home, but was out one night and was hungry, and threw together everything into a bowl and made this iconic Cobb salad. I hear you, Rob. I hear you. And so that's what we're doing right now. We are going to make this Cobb salad. Hey, what are you doing? You're eating the ingredients. What the? Okay, well, Lamb is doing the taste testing. Thank you, by the way, Lamb, for being here with me for this. I'm going to start with the romaine lettuce, giving it a nice chop. And I love making salads with my girls because they love to use the salad spinner. The salad spinner is one of the greatest toys that was ever invented. And Lamb is going to show you her sweet skills with the salad spinner. We're going to use Caramelized Onion Bitchin Sauce, and we're going to make it into more of a dressing by adding a little bit of vinegar. I'm going to show you that in a second. But in the meantime, we're going to spin this lettuce, and while she's doing that, I am going to peel a hard-boiled egg. She's going to town. What was that, sweetheart?
We're missing eggs.
We're missing eggs. Well, we just had to peel them. Okay, we're going to try it like this.
Can I try?
What is this thing normally used for?
Spam.
Spam. But we're going to see if it works for this. Okay, go ahead. Oh, it's so great. Look at that. It totally worked. Okay, let's set those to the side. Look at those are great little wheels.
Mommy, can we make it look like a smiley face?
Yeah. Actually, wait, no, we can't.
Huh.
I'm sorry, I said yes before I remembered that in this particular one. Go ahead. Oh, nice. It's supposed to be straight lines. Can you help me with straight lines?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm going to make a little bit of vinaigrette first to go over the top, and then I'll let you go for it. Okay, Lammy is my mixie girl. We're going to basically make a little caramelized onion vinaigrette. So what we're doing is taking our caramelized onion bitchin sauce, which is a delicious flavor, and we're going to add some red wine vinegar. Go ahead, honey. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, get a little more in there. Perfect, and then you get to stir that up. Nice, and then once it's all stirred, we're gonna dress the leaves a little bit first, and then we're gonna start assembling.
We're putting on the salad dressing that we mixed together.
We're gonna save some for the top too, but this is just to make sure that we get some in all the layers. There's nothing worse than finding you have a dry spot. Go ahead, hun. You start assembling there. I'm gonna get this avocado going. I know you have a beautiful vision for this. What do you think happened to my chives?
I think a ghost took them.
I think a ghost took my chives. I think that's so perfect. Do you love hard-boiled eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Excellent. And then you're gonna put the bacon on top. It's like a mini breakfast.
Ooh, we're gonna put some tomatoes.
Yeah, put a bunch on there. You can put the whole thing on there. We've got our avocado on there too. Lamb, what's your favorite salad?
Caesar.
Caesar salad.
With salad dressing.
With salad dressing. No undressed Caesars around here. Keep your togas on. Okay, let's add the rest. Let's add our chicken, and while you're doing that, I'm going to cut up these chives. You finish all the chicken?
I finished like the layer.
You did? Oh, that's beautiful. I see you've been taste testing a lot of the chicken too. How is the chicken?
Good.
You know what I did with this chicken is I baked it in the oven last night, and I put tarragon on it. And this was actually a defensive measure because you never know who's gonna find your chicken that you're intending for your Cobb salad and just decide that they're gonna eat it. Okay, so the chives are gonna go on. Ooh, and then our cheese. Hun, can you put a little line of cheese right there? And we'll just put the rest of this chicken on this little...
It's so gooey.
It is gooey. So normally you would put some kind of blue cheese. Here, let's put it on that side, on the far side. Normally you'd use some kind of blue cheese, but I will say that sometimes it's overpowering. So I purposely went for this great marinated goat cheese. All right, this looks so great. Lamb did an amazing job of getting all the beautiful rainbow lines in there. We're just putting our last touch of sauce on top. I've got to show you this epic bowl because it's just kind of the greatest thing I've ever seen. Oh, jeez. All right, well, that happens. Okay, let's dig in, shall we, Lamb? Ooh, what are you going for, the chicken?
I'm going for the avocado.
Avocado. What's your favorite part of this? There's so many sections to it. Which one is the most delicious to you?
The egg, the meat, the avocado.
This is yummy. This is checking all the boxes for me.
Get some of the meat.
Get some of the meat in there. Get some of that delicious salad dressing. The vinegar and the caramelized onion are so out of this world.
Mwah.
Mwah. Well, we're so thankful to be able to hang out together and enjoy our salad. We're thankful for the great rainbow we were able to make. I'm thankful for you, Lammy. Thankful for you. Have a bitchin' day.